Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Beauty Bites by Konica Arora. Today's video is for all of you who want to make their eyes look bigger. Yes, I'm already done with my base, my blush, my highlight and my lipper, but all that is left is my eyes, and I'm going to show you how can you make your eyes look bigger. So if you want to learn this simple and easy trick, keep on watching. I'm going to start by priming my lid, and the primer that I'm using today is definitely my concealer. I love priming my lids with concealer. So I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this one is in the shade Medium Sand. I'm going to prime my eyelid using this concealer. And make sure that you cover the inner corner as well. Now I'm going to powder my lid, and the powder that I'm using today is from Charlotte Tilbury. Now we've already primed our lids, we've powdered it, and now we are going to start with the color. I'm going to use this palette from Tarte. This is the Tartelette Toasted palette, and I'm going to use this color called Latte. This is the color which is going to imitate my skin color, so you have to choose a color which is exactly your skin color or a shade darker than that. And now I'm going to apply it in the crease line. Not exactly crease line, but a little higher than the crease line, so that my eye looks a little bigger. Can you see it is exactly looking like my natural shadow? And I am not going to join this with the outer corner. In fact, I'm going to lift it towards my brow. Now we're going to take the same color and apply it on the lower lash line. But when I'm going to apply it on the lower lash line, make sure that you're not very close to your lash line. In fact, you will actually draw a line which is a little away from your lash line so that your eye looks bigger. So my lash line is right here, and instead of drawing a line here, I have drawn it here. Now to brighten up my eye and to make it pop out a little more, I'm going to use a color which is very subtle, a lighter color but has sheen into it. I'm using this shade right here, which is Candle. And I'm just going to apply this color on the lid. Now if your eyes are close set, then you're going to follow this trick. You're going to use the same color and apply it in the inner corner as well. Right here. The next, I'm going to apply a liner very close to the lash line. Make sure that your liner is not bold enough because you already have small eyes. So it's going to be very close to the lash line. Look at the difference it makes. Another thing that I want to mention, that if your eyes are not close set, you already have eyes which are wide apart, then you can always accentuate your liner from here and bring out a tip here. In that way, your eyes are going to look more close set. I am not going to do that because my eyes are not wide apart. Now the next step is that I'm going to apply a skin color pencil on the lower waterline. Make sure that you're using a pencil which is skin color and not white in color, because we are definitely not white and the white color pencil looks too artificial. And now the last step is to apply mascara. I am going to apply this mascara which is from Too Faced. So I just did the top lash mascara and now I'm going to do the lower lash mascara as well. But with this as well, follow a trick. Don't apply mascara from the roots because we want our eye to look bigger. So we're just going to apply mascara on the ends of the lashes. That completes the whole eye, and can you see the difference? I'm sure this eye looks much bigger than this eye. I'm just going to zoom in the camera and you can see the difference. So this is the final look right in front of you, and what a difference does makeup can do. Can you see the difference? On purpose, I'm not doing this eye because I want you guys to see the difference. It was quite simple and easy. I'm sure you all would have loved the video. In case you love it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to ring the notification bell so that you are notified every time I am posting a new video. I love you all. Stay blessed and keep watching, and I will see you soon on this Monday.